Welcome to Excel Wizard. In this video, I will show you how to save same Excel sheets in a workbook as separate PDFs. As you can see, the PDFs will be saved with their respective names, which is same as sheet names. All these sheets will be saved as different PDF files. First, press the Alt key plus F11 to launch VBA Editor. Click on Insert, then select Module. Copy the following code and paste it into the VBA editor. You can find the link to the code in the description box. Click on the green play button to run the VBA code. You will be prompted to choose a target folder to save the PDFs. The process will take a short time depending with how many workbooks you have. Once all the PDFs are saved, you will get a notification. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.